Hi guys, welcome. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Camellia. Today's video is a collaboration, honey. This is a UK braider. Would you like to be known as? Like a hairstylist?
Versatile.
This is FA. We met on Instagram. She's obviously from the UK. Tell them a bit about yourself, FA.
Hi guys. I've been a hairdresser for past 9-10 years, and honestly, it's been a great experience. You get to meet lovely people like Camellia.
She don't know that yet. I paid her.
But you know, honestly, you get a good experience. You meet new different people. You get different vibes, and quite honestly, it's therapeutic as well. It's therapeutic if you didn't know.
We're connecting on like a spiritual level, so
we got that energy.
We got that energy, honey. Okay, so we're not gonna hold you up. FA is a G at braids, and I really want the knotless braids. So she's just going to show you a little bit her technique, how she goes about it. I'm a bit short at the back, so I don't know if you're going to have to do knot with the knot at the back to catch it or whatever. She says she can catch it, okay? She can catch it. And yeah, I'm just going to ask her a few questions for some of the video, just so that it's not long and just drawn out and silence and music. We obviously, it's a collaboration, so we want people to like know who you are and to know where to find you. Tell them your Instagram.
My Instagram hair page is ALTE HAIR UK _Alte hair UK.
Period. So guys, she doesn't just do braids, she also renews and revives wigs and frontals. So if you're somebody who spent a whole bag of, you know how it is, especially if you're a hair buyer, that means you're not really buying cheap out here.
If you've got the money, be spending it, but you can really repair the closure.
Exactly.
It's repairable.
She does repairs as well to the closure, to the wig. And yeah, just go check out her Instagram so you can get more informed about what she does. Okay, we're gonna get this crown together. I am relaxed. Before we get into this video, if you are not already, honey, what are you waiting for? Subscribe for the ride. Turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I upload another video. Don't forget to smash that like button, which is the thumbs up button. Should be just about here. Hold on, when I'm recording, it might be here somewhere. Follow me on my socials. My Instagram is Camellia_X. And yeah, I think that's it. Let's get into this video. So she's gonna take a before or picture. This is gonna be for her Instagram content.
Yes.
And obviously we're gonna show you guys what she's working with as well. That way you guys can see like her work from start to finish. Huh?
It's pickable.
It's pickable.
It's pickable.
What? Shall we show them what pickable means?
This is pickable. This is pickable. Honestly, we can work with this.
Yeah.
We can work with this.
Yeah? Cool.
We can work with this.
Guys, she's going to be using the Eco Styling Gel. No, not Eco. She's going to be using this
Shine and Jam.
Shine and Jam conditioning gel to snatch it and like get my baby hairs and all that.
You know how it is.
So we're gonna ask FA a few questions, guys. So first of all, do you like to be called FA?
Yes,
Okay.
Because can't lie, honestly, in this life, the thing is, I really shouldn't be shortening my name. I should be firm with my name because my actual name is Fatmata.
Okay.
But it's just the way people pronounce it. It was really annoying me.
Yeah.
It's
they
like
can't pronounce it properly, and not everyone tries to pronounce it the right way.
That's the problem. But
I would imagine.
Honestly, I'm someone who I've got like different abbreviations to my name, so it can be Fatmata, it can be Fatima, it can be FA, because FA is the main nickname for it. But yeah, just felt that FA from there.
How long have you been doing hair for?
Since I was 14, so.
Oh, cool. That's like a long time. I actually grew up in a hair salon, which a lot of people don't realise. My auntie was a hairdresser. Yeah, she's a hairdresser, so I grew up in the hair salon. She had her own hair salon. She was doing hair at home as well.
You know the ones where they're testing the hair on you?
Yeah. and I was washing hair from young. I was working in reception, so I grew up in that environment. So
honestly, like my older sister she was the one that was doing hair more. But you know, when the student surpasses the teacher,
yeah,
I basically overtook medication. Because it got to a point where like I was able to pick the hair,
yeah,
and then I'll braid it down to a certain degree,
yeah,
and then she will plait the rest of the way down.
Yeah.
But because she couldn't pick, if I can pick and braid the hair, why can't I just do the whole thing?
Yeah. So you're low-key self-taught in a way.
Yes.
See, I noticed that. You see, us brown girls, right? Let me not put the brown into it, but let me put the brown into it. Like, we have learned, I think because of the type of hair we've got, we've had to learn to be creative.
Yeah.
And because you've had to learn to be creative, and because I feel like growing up, not so much now, but I feel like growing up, there wasn't so many people that really specialized in our sort of hair, and products weren't necessarily geared towards our hair. You could only really find our stuff in, like, you know, the Asian shops, packs and all that sort of a thing. So there was so much, I think, from the beginning of time that we had to just learn to be creative. And so we had to learn to watch and do.
Honestly, I feel like with the opportunities that were there back then, I feel like that's why a lot of people were able to build their clientele quite well.
Yeah.
Just because, you know, you're the only person in a certain area that does braids or does pixie cuts and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And you just need to be a master of your craft, really.
Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna turn around, guys, so you guys can see what she's done.
Pre-parted the hair just to get the partings out of the way. And you want to make sure you've got a clean parting too, because not all the time you'll get that clean part. We need to see the scalp. We need to see the scalp. So obviously, because the hair is quite short at the back, we need to cut it into smaller sections, and I'm about to begin braiding. Do a small plait first to build, and then we work our way up.
So how long have you, all in all, how long have you been doing hair?
So
it kind of took off from watching your sister, is it? And
yeah, so I guess I could say, so I'm going to be 26 now.
Wow, you look like a papa!
I'm still a baby.
Well, this is, how long is this?
So this is probably down to like your hip size, because you're the same height as me, so. Certain degree just so I can get the whole head done.
Okay. And then you go through it.
Yeah. After. Then we get the braids done properly at the end.
Yeah.
Because sometimes I feel like because you're in a rush to kind of get the whole head done.
Yeah.
You focus more on trying to finish the braid, and then the ends start looking messy.
Yeah.
We need perfection. Because
that's
at the end of the day, we want perfection. Cool. So yeah, as you can see, we picked the ground up. So we're going to the second row.
Okay.
So as you can see, guys, just lift your head up a tad bit. As you can see, guys, we have done the back. So we're halfway through. One note is, The shorter the hair is, the smaller the parting.
That's how you get the hair done.
You just see my big head.
We're now halfway at the head now, and she's doing knotless braids now.
So again there, You have to just keep putting strands in just to build up the braid's body a bit.
Yeah. So that it will be thick all the way down.
Yes.